Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fazil Ghafi Biafandi and I'm from University Tun Hussein on Malaysia, UTHM. Today, I will present about my research is about preserving mangrove swamp and Sabahan culture through 3D and 2D animation fusion. So for the content is we have five content in this presentation: introduction, literature review, methodology, result and discussion, and lastly is conclusion. Okay, we go to the introduction. Okay, we will talk about mango swamp. Okay, what is important of mango swamp? Okay, we have five important of swamp. For the first one is swamp is protection to coastal area by acting as natural barrier against storm and erosion. The number two is tree structure migrate risk posed by rising sea level. Okay, for the third one, the importance of mango swamp is served as breeding ground for small marine creatures. And number four, the importance of mango swamp is to contribute to water filtration, removing pollution and sediment from water. And the last one is store carbon, combating climate change as blue carbon ecosystem. Okay, next we go to the Sabahan cultures. Okay, there are four about Sabahan cultures, which is the first one is Sabahan culture comes to over 30 ethnic group and more than 80 dialect. For the third one, Kadazan, Dusun people notable for rice farming tradition and pesta keamatan, or we call in harvest festival. The third one is historical adherence to Momolianism center and nature's aesthetical spirit. For the number four is role of Bobolian, Bobohizan as spiritual intermediaries. Okay, next we go to the impact for modernization. Okay, there are two impact for of modernization, which is the first one is urban development leading to deforestation, pollution, and biodiversity loss. And the second one is lack of media attention and animating exploring mangrove and cultural preservation. Okay, next we go to the literature review. Okay, the first one we will talk about animation as educational medium. Okay, so why animation is important as an educational medium? So the first one is animation pair with storytelling will make the animation more enjoyable. And the second one, the animation enhance comprehension and relatability for young audience, which is young audience for now, they are more like to watch animation more than live action. Okay, next we go to cultural representation in animation. Okay, we will talk about fostering cultural pride. Okay, we use what's on the animation to showcase the diverse of cultural element. Okay, for the example of positive example is Moana, Upin and Ipin, Legend of Ancient Borneo. So they are the example that we can watch the animation for cultural representation like Moana, Upin Ipin, and Legend of Ancient Borneo. Okay, next we go to the environmental issues in animation. Okay, we will talk about rising awareness through animation. We will talk about film like Finding Nemo, which is Finding Nemo effectively convey the environmental message. And the second one, it combining environmental education with competitive animation negative. So next we go to the methodology. Okay, there are four methodology research that used in this research. For the first one is online research. Okay, the first one is geography of Malaysian forests, mangrove life, traditional clothes in Sabah, Kadasan, Duzon cultures, which is we which is the research and the online about the traditional clothes, Sabahan, Kadasan, Duzon cultures. For the second one is qualitative methodology, expert consultation. For the expert consultation, the language and culture consultation for Sabah for ensure accurate representation. The third one is field research methodology, which is location scouting. For this research, the survey in Lama Bakau at Pagi Kasim Muar Johor is used for authentic environmental insight. And the last one is mixed methodology approach, which is audio surveys that use Google Form that collecting data on awareness of mangrove, animation, preference, and environmental action. Okay, for the result and discussion. Okay, for the first one, we will give the question to the audience, which is have they heard about the mangrove system and their importance? There are 74.5 of the audience say yes, and 25.5% say no. For the second one, they're familiar with Sabahan culture. So for this question, 91.9% say yes and 48.1% say no. Okay, next the survey is about animation style and engagement. Okay, the question about the survey is about indeed combination of 2D and 3D animation will make environmental storytelling more engaged. So 94.5% suggest it is more engaged and 9.5% says no. Okay, for the conclusion for this research is about raising awareness. Okay, the media is very important to raising for the awareness. Is it because animation is an initiative to educate about environmental and cultural awareness. And the second importance of media is call for unity in preserving flora, fauna, and cultural heritage in Malaysia. Okay, that's all for me about my research, and thank you for listening, and hope we will see you again. Thank you.